Assalamu alaikum. Today in this video we are going to study Trigonometry O levels 4024. I have some couple of past the questions over here. In this question it is given that there's a triangle. You can see that it is a right angle triangle due to the sign of this square sign 90 degree. In this triangle, it is given that the diagram shows a triangle PQR with angle PQR equals to 37 degrees Celsius, 37 degrees. Sorry. This is also shown here. And then S is the point on QR such that PSR equals to 90 degree. It is also shown that S is the point on QR so that PSR is 90 degree. Now in this question we have to find out the length of PR. It is written that calculate PR. So for this first part we are going to solve easily because we can see that the triangle PSR is basically a right angle triangle, and to find any side which is opposite of right angle sign it would be hypotenuse. So it would be much easier, and we can do this by solving with Pythagoras theorem. Although it is not always necessary to write the formula, but you can write for your better understanding. So at the place of hypotenuse, we are going to put PR, and you can take opposite and adjacent any which you want. I for it. So our answer would be PR equals to under root 25 plus 64, and it would be under root 89, which is simply equals to 9.43. Don't forget the units, it would be centimeter. So we have got this answer of first part, the length of PR, which is equals to 9.43 centimeter. In the second part, we are just focused on the wordings of the question, which is written that calculate the shortest distance from S to PQ. The shortest distance from S to PQ would be always the perpendicular distance from any point to any point. From S to PQ means the point S is over here and the length and the line PQ is over here. So for drawing the shortest distance, we have to always take out our scale and focus on the top horizontal side of our scale, which is like this. To calculate the horizontal distance, or you consider to calculate the shortest distance, we have to place the from point which is written that from the first point to the last point. S point is over here and PQ line is over here. So for the PQ line, we are just going to use the horizontal side of this scale. It would be like this. Now in this way we know that the line we have drawn is perfectly horizontal. You can also check it by D or protector. But the concept is we have find the what is the length of this, or what is the shortest distance. But we have to find out its value by calculating from different trigonometric rules. In this question we have to find this shortest length, and we know that when we draw the shortest distance it is always 90 degree. So it is forming two more right angle triangles, this QS, and this point you can say that this point is X, and this SX and P. So for this distance, to calculate this distance, we have to use this angle which is given this as 37 degree. Now for this question you can also find this value and this angle, and you can use this and you can find the shortest distance. But you can also find the shortest distance by the help of this side 8. This 8, which is PS, is basically the hypotenuse of this, and if this angle is 37 degree and this angle would be 90 degree, so of course this angle would be 53, because the sum of triangle is always 180 degrees. So it would be 53 degrees. So it is 53, it is 8, and this is unknown. You have to find this unknown side. This unknown side is basically in right angle triangle, so we can use any of the trigonometric ratio. it would be opposite over hypotenuse. And what is opposite over hypotenuse? It would be sine. So sine 53, for the second part we are solving, sine 53 equals to opposite is the side which you have to find out. You can say that sx divided by 8. Now for finding this side sx, we are just going to multiply 8 with sine 53. Now we will get the answer 6.39 centimeter. After rounding off, do remember that we have to follow 3 significant figure rule. That's it.